Welcome back to our Android development course. In this lesson, we are going to learn one of the most important layout containers in Android Studio, called ScrollView. First, what is ScrollView? ScrollView is a layout that allows the user to scroll vertically through content when the items inside are larger than the screen. It works vertically only, meaning the user can scroll up and down. To use it, we wrap our other layout inside a ScrollView. Let us create a simple example. Open your Activity Layout XML file. Now here, let's add an image view and text view. And then copy-paste them again and make multiple image view and text view so they go beyond the screen height. Now, let's run our app in Emulator and see how it looks like. Here, you can see that we can only see first few image and text view on the screen, and the one which is below, we can't see it anymore since our screen isn't scrolling for now. That's when we need the scroll view. So now let's try with scroll view, replace the root layout with a scroll view. Inside the scroll view, add a linear layout with vertical orientation. Now inside this linear layout, we simply copy and paste our image view and text views. Now let's run the app again and check. Here you can see now we're able to scroll down to see all the content. Let us talk about another important concept. ScrollView must contain only one direct child layout. So if you try to place two layouts directly inside the scroll view, it will not work. Instead, place a single linear layout and then add everything inside it. To summarize this lesson, sweat your app screen scroll vertically when you have more content than the screen can show. In the next class, we will learn more advanced UI elements and continue building our Android app step by step. If you found this helpful, subscribe and continue to the next video in our Beginner Android course.